What's up, beautiful people? Let me teach you how to prepare your braiding extension to help it hold curls and make your curls last longer for goddess braids. So if you want to make goddess braids and you want to use braiding extension and you want your curls to last long and not tangle, then keep on watching. So of course, I'm a blendologist, so I am going to be using blends for this video. These are custom color blends. These are custom braiding extension mix. All these colors here have been uploaded on my channel already, so you can go check it out. But let's just do a side by side, like roll call type thing, and then you can just tell me which of these blends you love the most in the comment section. And as I said, all the colors here are already on my channel already, so yeah, what we are going to be doing is I'm going to put all these blends together and I'm going to blend all of them as one. Now do me a huge favor and help me count how many colors we have here that we are trying to turn into one. I did something similar to this when I did 31 days of blend. That is in a playlist on its own, so you can go check it out if you want to check the blends that I did during 31 days of blend. So I think about 18 different blends for 31 days of blend. But for this one, please let me know how many you count after you're done counting, and just let me know in the comment section below. About 5 hours later, and this is what we have. As you can see, this looks really stunning. I was actually thinking that I would get a lot of purple in here, but I picked more brown color, so that is why this is looking like this. I love this so much. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to dip this inside water first. After you have feathered your hair, you are going to dip it in water, as you can see me do here, and then you are going to brush that out. After you brush it out, you have to be very careful because this is going to be like really hot. After you brush it out and you have gotten the extension to be as sleek as possible with the hot water, you are just going to go ahead to use your blow dryer to just dry that out while also straightening it even better. Now, if you have a blow dryer with a comb attachment, then that would be perfect for this. You are just going to have to put the comb attachment onto the blow dryer and then just use that to like comb out the extension that you have with you. And yes, I had to like divide the extension into two because it was too much for me to handle as one. So go ahead and spray in your sheen, your oil sheen, into your hair and then just brush that out. I was doing like a brushing and blow drying method here. It took a lot longer. That is why I said if you have a blow dryer that has a comb attachment, that would be perfect for you because this took a lot longer than necessary, but it still got the job done. Now after this, all you're just going to do is you're just going to go ahead and either curl the extension or use the extension to braid your hair as it is and then curl the ends when you are done braiding, which is what I did. And let me tell you, this turned out so beautifully. The curls were lovely. I got the perfect curl that I wanted and it lasted longer than I expected. It has been over a month now and my curls are still very very visible, no tangling, and I'm able to like brush out my curls. Yes, brush out my curls without having to like sacrifice the curl pattern. So basically what I'm trying to say is the curl pattern is still intact even though I have brushed the curls so many times. Let me know if this is something that you're going to try out. This is something that I used to do in my salon and I have never tried it for myself, and I just had to try this out for myself and see what it looks like when I just dip the old braid into, like rather the old extension into the water, into hot water, and just straighten it out and then braid with it. And I love how it turned out. Look at this. I mean, take a freaking look at this. My curls did not tangle. Like my curl pattern, of course it is much looser than it is right now. It still looks really beautiful and it is not tangled, and I can brush out my curls without having to like disrupt the curl pattern. Let me know if this is something that you're going to try out, and if you do try it out, tag me. My Instagram and every other thing will be linked in the description box, and I would see you in the next one. Bye.